Are you on the hunt for the perfect plants to create a tranquil meditation space? You've come to the right place. Zen Garden Plants are key in crafting serene environments, and today we're spotlighting the top 5. Stay tuned as we delve into the top 5 Zen Garden Plants ideal for your meditation space. Now, let's uncover the top 5 Zen Garden Plants that can transform your garden into a serene oasis. First up is the evergreen azalea. This plant is a Zen garden staple, known for its vibrant flowers and year-round greenery. It's easy to care for, requiring just a bit of pruning to maintain its shape. Its striking beauty and simplicity make it a perfect addition to any Zen space. Next, we have the Japanese maple. With its delicate leaves and stunning fall color, it's no wonder this tree is a favorite for creating that tranquil garden atmosphere. It thrives in partial shade and needs minimal maintenance, making it a Zen garden gem. The third plant on our list is the hosta. Their lush foliage and shade tolerance make them ideal for those serene hidden corners of your Zen garden. They're also quite hardy, requiring little more than regular watering. Moving on to the bamboo. Known for its fast growth and sound of rustling leaves, it creates a soothing background noise for your meditation practice. It's a symbol of strength and flexibility, embodying the Zen principle of resilience. Finally, we have moss. It requires little sunlight and loves moist areas. Its soft green carpet creates a sense of tranquility, making it the quintessential Zen garden plant. That concludes our list of the top 5 Zen garden plants. Keep these in mind as you design your tranquil meditation space. Now that we've covered the top 5 Zen garden plants, let's quickly summarize their benefits. These plants not only beautify your garden, but also promote tranquility and serenity, enhancing your meditation space. Remember, the right plants can transform your Zen garden into a tranquil sanctuary perfect for meditation. We hope you found the perfect Zen garden plants to create your tranquil meditation space. Remember, these plants don't just beautify, they also offer serenity and peace. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.